The workbook on the screen has 4 sheets containing a company's sales made in the years 2009, 2010, 2011, and 2012. To see all of them at the same time, we need to follow the steps shown on the screen. Before following these steps, let's check to see how many windows I have open. So, I click Switch Windows. And we see that I only have the Sales window open. This is the name of the workbook that is currently open. I first click the View tab. Second, I click New Window. This opens a new window. We can confirm it by clicking Switch Window, like this. As you can see, now we have 2 windows of the same workbook named Sales 1 and Sales 2. Third, I click Arrange All. And the window named Arrange Windows shows up displaying 4 options. Fourth, I select Vertical. Finally, I click OK. As you can see, the same workbook is open twice. I select the sheet 2010 on the right. And now I can compare and work with the sales of 2009 and 2010 at the same time. Since I want to see all the 4 sheets at the same time, I need to open 2 more new windows. So, I click New Window twice. Let's see how many windows I now have open. So, I click Switch Windows. And we can see that I have 4 windows of the same workbook. They are numbered 1 to 4. Now I click Arrange All. Then I select Tiled and click OK. As a result, the same workbook is opened 4 times. I select the sales of 2009 in the first window on the left, the sales of 2010 in the window below, the sales of 2011 in the first window on the right, and the sales of 2012 in the window below it. Now I can compare and work with the sales made in 2009, 2010, 2011, and 2012 at the same time.